Hello, this is Patrick Williard with Porsche Wilmington. I'm here to walk you around this 2022 911 Carrera S coupe with extensive list of exclusive manufacturer options. First, I want to highlight the Carrera S wheels we have here that are painted in high gloss black. Moving on to the side mirrors, we've had this one where the lower part is painted the exterior color, and we've gone with the high gloss black option on the arm down there. Moving around here, we have high gloss window trim around the windows. If you look up top, there's a few different roof options. On this one, we went with the carbon fiber roof, which saves about 30% in weight reduction on the car. Go around to the back here. And as you can see, we've done the exclusive design taillights on this vehicle. One of the nice features is the third brake light is usually up in here in this section. They have actually integrated into the aero kit wing in the back, which is a nice touch. Of course, we have the rear bumper as the sport design rear bumper, high gloss black, Porsche logo. And then the model designation, Porsche gives you different options on different colors. This one, of course, we finished to match up with the rest of the car in high gloss black. You have the sport exhaust system with the tailpipes in black, and then the finisher around down here in high gloss black. It's part of the aero kit. On the sides here, if you notice the side skirts on this vehicle, the sport design side skirts, typically painted in exterior color. Of course, with the aero kit package, they're done in high gloss black. And then the headlights, we have our Porsche Matrix design headlights, which offer all the PDLS Plus features, and then they're done in black. So you have some black accents inside here in the lens itself. If you look down to the front, it's got some more high gloss black touches right here, and then the front splitter on the bottom here, done in high gloss black, which pairs up very nicely with the Lava Orange exterior paint color. So on the interior of this vehicle, I'll show you some of the nice features that we optioned in here. This has the GT Sports steering wheel in leather. Typically these pieces up here are in like a silver color, but with the GT wheel, you get these in a darker black color. We also have the deviated stitching interior package. Porsche offers about 19 different colors that you can get this stitching in. Of course, we went with Lava Orange to match up with the exterior color of this vehicle. And it has an extensive area where you can see the stitching on the seat silhouettes, seat bolsters, the center tunnel, including the armrest going all the way back. See the nice touches on the seat, the Lava Orange deviated stitching. Just like these little details like this, the pull strap for the back seat, also with the deviated stitching on it. Also around the steering wheel rim, you can see the stitching across the tops of the dash there. And then on the door panels here, you have the tops of the doors, the center section, and the deviated stitching, as well as the armrest there. And this vehicle is equipped with the front axle lift system, which raises the vehicle about 1.5 inches up from normal